Hi everyone, I decided to create another video showing a couple of tips and tricks in order to create your creature model. This is where I am right now. It's getting better. I think another couple of more hours my sculpting will be done. If you have a look at in this area, see I have add subdivision levels. Okay, this is my lowest subdivision level, which is level 1. If I press D, it will go up the subdivision level. I got 3 subdivision levels. My highest subdivision level I got 886,000 polygon. If I press shift and D, it will go down. Those are the hotkey. Shift D to go down the subdivision level, go up the subdivision level, D. I'll show you because at the moment I think you guys are working with the Dynamesh. Dynamesh is getting the proportion right, getting the basic shape. Once you get the basic shape of your creature model, you go to turn off the Dynamesh and keep adding the subdivision level and add the detail. Uh, I just want to mention, don't add the subdivision level without any reason. Okay. Um, at the moment I 886,000 polygon. I think if I can go up to 1 million and do a little bit more detail when I'm adding the texture detail, like skin texture detail, I'll go to 1 million poly count. Let me show file open. I'm going to open my base mesh, which is okay. At this stage, this my like a this way I was save initially. In this area I was in the Dynamesh, okay, because I'm changing my mesh and things like that. Therefore I was in the Dynamesh. When when I finish and when I decided to that's um, I'm not going to add more detail, add like not detail, I'm not going to change the proportion, like adding big change, not going to do the big changes. Then I'm turn off the Dynamesh. Then what I'll do, I'll go to the, yeah, I turn off the Dynamesh. Then see, I turn off the Dynamesh. Then I go to the then geometry. Then I'll add in the subdivision level. Now I'm in I got the 2 subdivision level. Then I start sculpting again and add detail in this level. Then once you finish there, then you feel like you need um, more more polygon to work, you add another subdivision level. That's how you should add in the subdivision level. Don't keep work on the Dynamesh, guys. Okay. Next thing I want to mention how you create the nails. Let me to open up my okay. When you create in the at this this is my file that I am at right now. I'm level 3. I got couple of inquiry asking what are the tips and tricks when I'm doing the nails. Let me to show. I'm going to click the Damien standard. In here I'm trying to create the human like nail. Then I'll show you how to create the creature like nails. Then I'll go underneath in here, okay. Then I'll join it up. See, creating a nails is quite easy. Then with the clay build up, you can add the shape a little bit more. Okay. in here you could sculpt it more to enhance the shape. Okay, that's how you add the like a human like nails. I have created the crease line in here. That's where it is the hands going to sorry, fingers going to bend. Then if you wondering how you create the like a long nails like creature, that's really easy too. At the moment I am in subdivision level 3. What I'll do, I'll go down the subdivision level, maybe level 2, and I hold down the control key. I mask that area. Yes, my nail is going to be. Then what I would do, I can invert this mask, hold down the control key and tap outside the model, then I invert. Then I can make the changes to this area. I can't do any changes to other areas where it is being masked. What I'll do, I can do couple of things. I can pressing W, I can get the move tool, and then I can move it up like that. Sorry, having a bad cough. Oh, or I can do the move elastic, and I can get that brush. I can move the geometry itself. I think that's worked nicely. Then what I'll do a little bit of sculpting. Then I can check it up. At the moment I'm level 2. I go to the level 3 subdivision level. Yeah. Then I clear my mask. It's not looking too bad. In here you can do the sculpting. Okay, you can add the creature like nails quite easily in this way. If you are encountering something like let me show. When you sculpting in edges, like if it is damaged in the underneath of where you touching, you can fix that one quite quickly. If you go to the brushes and auto masking, then turn on the back face masking, then it's protect the underneath of the geometry where a mesh that you touching, that you trying to sculpt. If I try to sculpt over here, it wouldn't affect to the other side of the geometry. That's a nice tool. It's under brushes, auto masking, and turn on the back face masking. That's important one. And then I'll show you if you're trying to sculpt somewhere in here or underneath the shoulders, arms, you can't reach there because the mesh, because of the mesh. If you want to hide the part of the mesh in order to sculpt in order to sculpt those area, what you could do, hold down the control shift and you can drag a box. Then wherever inside those green box, it will be visible, other side will be disappeared. It's under, actually it is if you go to the brushes, you should select rectangle, to control shift drag a box like this. Okay, control shift drag a box. If you want to make visible other side, if you want to invert this mask, control shift and tap on the where it is the body part that is visible. If you want to show whole lot the entire model, what you got to do, control shift and tap it outside. Other important one, if you want to check the polygroup group, if you want to add another polygroup, shift F, check it up. At the moment is a one single polygroup what you can do, control shift, add a polygroup like a, make it visible this side. Then what you can do, go to the polygroup, then you can click group visible, then it will add um, the visible area, it make a new polygroup. Control shift, tap outside, it will show you the entire model. See, then what I'll do, shift F to hide and shift F to see the poly count. Then see these are the, now at the moment I create the two separate polygroup. If you want to hide now, what you can do, control shift, tap the polygroup, control shift. It's a bit confusing. Once you practice, you will understand what it is to do. Okay, that's all what I want to show you guys. Yeah, when you come to next class, I hope you guys have some kind of creatures, like your sculpting is finished, at least to this point. Then I can show you how to create the like a lower resolution mesh which we can animate. In order to animate, we have to put like a bind that mesh onto the rig. Then I'll show you how to apply the motion capture data. Okay guys, keep working. If you have any question, let me know. I'll try my best to help you all. Thanks very much.